back to my 9art, and for today's video is a watercolor painting that I actually started when I went to Honolulu, Hawaii in Kuhio Beach last year. And this one I just wanted to challenge myself in using a cheap watercolor set and a few reference photos so I can make this plein air painting. So for step number one, I used a small mist bottle filled with water and I painted the canvas and also the paint that I'm using, and also this will make it a lot easier for the watercolor to flow. And for this first step is just to basically cover the entire painting with the base colors. And you'll also see me spraying some water right in the middle of that watercolor set, just so I can have some water to dilute paint if I need to, and just make sure that it flows into a simple base color that I need. And because the colors are so light, the underdrawing that I did with pencil is still going to show through. So I want to let this video play out for a bit in this quick time-lapse video with some relaxing music, and until we start painting again back when I got home. So now that I am back at home, I started using a very light drafting pencil, and this one was just so that I can start adding more detail as I was looking at my reference photo. And this is the part where I actually was deciding if I was going to add people or not inside of the beach. And yeah, I was just adding more details to the palm trees, water, the ripples and the sand, and also the buildings in the back and clouds. So throughout this video, I have been using a very thin, fine-pointed brush for all the small details, and also a very medium brush so that I can cover larger areas. And because this is a small painting which only measures 7 inches length by 5 inches wide, this is going to make it very easy to fill in all the details. you.